You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this French playwright and novelist. If you want to learn more names from French literature, more pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got them all here. You can skip to the end of the video for this. French pronunciation first, and how you can say it in English. Françoise Sagan. Françoise Sagan. In English, you can simply say, if you cannot pronounce French, Françoise Sagan. Françoise Sagan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.